Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting straight to the media player. Open the interaction menu and choose radio, not later now. Make sure you've added music files to the user music folder or selected an in-game streaming app so the player has content. Once done, navigate to the radio station list and pick media player or self-radio. You'll see your tracks. Use the left/right to skip and pause. This primes the player so you can build playlists and control playback immediately. Now you assemble your listening session by creating and editing a playlist. You can add tracks from the available list, remove duplicates, and reorder them by dragging or using the +/- controls. This sets the playback sequence for your session. Make sure to give the playlist a clear name and save it. That lets you recall it in future sessions. While playing, adjust crossfade and shuffle options to control transitions. These settings change how tracks segue and keep ambient noise from interrupting your gameplay. Finish by testing playback in a private session so you don't disrupt others and can verify audio levels. If the player fails to play tracks, confirm your output device, in-game audio volume, and that files are supported formats like MP3 or OGG. Convert if needed. If tracks still won't load, reload the self-radio index or restart the game to refresh the cache. One troubleshooting tip: if playback stutters, toggle shuffle or re-encode the file at a...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.